In this video, I'm going to show you how you can format text in Slack. So if you want to change anything or add anything in Slack text, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is to use the formatting tools to do this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and enter your text. For instance, I can write hello world here. Now to format it, go ahead and just highlight. And you can here now add bold. You can make it even italic, as well as you can use strikethroughs to format it. Apart from that, you can also insert links in your text by using these links, and you can also add bullets as well as numbers on your text depending on what you wish. So by doing this, you'll be able to add various aspects or change the style of your text with ease in Slack. So that's how you can format your text in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.